Before I show you everything that's new in this massive Firestick update, you need to make sure you actually have it installed, because a lot of people are sitting on an older version right now and don't even know it. So let me walk you through it fast. It takes less than 2 minutes. From your Firestick home screen, go up to My Fire TV, then tap About, then scroll down until you see Install Update. If an update is available, you will see a message pop up on the right side of the screen. Just click Install Update and let the device do its thing. Now, important, do not turn off your Fire Stick while it's updating. If you cut the power during this process, your device can stop working completely. So just leave it alone. Be patient and let it finish. Once it restarts and boots back up, that's when you will see the new interface for the first time. And trust me, what Amazon has done with this update, you are going to want to see every single part of it. Let's get into it. After more than 5 years, Amazon has officially revealed a brand new Fire TV interface, and it's a full redesign, not just a small tweak. So let's break down what's new, what's better, and whether this finally fixes Fire TV's biggest problems. The current Fire TV interface launched back in 2020, and compared to Google TV or Roku, it started to feel crowded and outdated. Amazon clearly agreed, because this new 2026 interface is a ground-up rebuild focused on cleaner design, faster performance, and easier navigation. The first thing you will notice is the refreshed look. App icons, posters, and thumbnails now have rounded corners, updated fonts, and more spacing. The interface feels less cramped, more modern, and easier to read from across the room. One of the best changes, the navigation bar is back at the top. You now get clear tabs for home, movies, TV shows, sports, news, and live TV. These sections were previously buried. Now they are front and center, making navigation much faster and simpler. You can now pin up to 20 apps instead of just 6. That means your most used apps are visible instantly, with far less scrolling and fewer clicks. Yes, ads are still here, but because apps and navigation are better positioned, getting to your content usually takes one click less than before. The experience feels smoother and less frustrating. Games and deeper settings are now tucked into a separate menu, keeping the top bar clean. The quick settings panel has also been improved, giving fast access to audio, display, and smart home controls. Amazon claims up to 20 to 30% faster performance with smoother animations and snappier navigation. This is especially important for older Fire TV sticks and budget Fire TVs. Alexa is now more deeply integrated, allowing smarter searches and recommendations. Amazon has also redesigned the Fire TV mobile app, letting you browse content and control playback directly from your phone. The rollout starts in February 2026, beginning with newer Fire TV stick models and expanding to more TVs and brands later. This update doesn't remove ads, but it does make Fire TV faster, cleaner, and far more competitive. For Fire TV users, this is much needed reset.